Hi, I'm Luna. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set a song as a ringtone on your Android phone. Open the settings menu. This is the main hub where you can control and customize all your phone's features. Next, scroll and see sounds and vibration. On some phones, it may be called sounds and notifications. Tap on it to open the sound settings menu. Now see the ringtone option. Here, you'll see a list of the default ringtones available on your device. To set your own song, see the plus symbol top or bottom corner of the screen. Tap on it. This will open your phone's storage or music library. Browse through your files and select the song you want to use as your ringtone. Once you choose the song, tap Done or Save to confirm your selection. Your selected song is now set as your ringtone. Whenever someone calls you, your favorite music will play. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for my channel Quantum Tech Lab.